reason why many companies are not interested to take fresher is that their managers probably have to give more time. You have to answer a lot of questions like a newborn child. So that is the reason probably they are thinking, no, I will take some person who is already matured, who is already experienced. By that process, sometimes what happens, you will see the person whom you are taking from another company, you are not only taking that person, you are also taking that company also. A fresh person is also having the same organ system, and experienced person is also having the same organ system. Then why should I not take a fresh but an experienced? Whereas if you see all the important things of our life, we always take first hand. Only when it is a matter of selection, we consider second hand things. Why we consider second hand things? Why not first hand things? Fresh boy, if you take, it will be like a white paper. Whatever you will write, that will be only you can read. On a dirty paper, if you write something, it is not very easily visible.
Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and Facebook page of Endeavor. I am your host Sandeep Raiwale today. हम एक बार और आए हैं एक नया टॉपिक के साथ. আমরা নতুন টপিকের সঙ্গে এসেছি wherein we will be speaking to the pharmaceutical managers of various companies and we will try to know their view. And yes, once we have this video ready, we would want you to give your view as well. So we'll be talking to a manager, Mr. Sandeep Ghosh, who is the area sales manager of a company known as Novo Medicament. It is a South India based company and is doing business, wonderful business since so many years. And few of our students have also been recruited into that company who are already working into this company. Right? So our topic for today is, generally we have seen that the managers of various companies are not giving opportunity to freshers. Right? They are looking for experienced skilled candidates only. But there are companies who are only looking to recruit trained freshers. Right? Novo Medicament is one of the companies who recruit freshers only. So we'll speak to the manager and we'll come to know what are the views of the manager and why the company recruits fresher only. So let's go and have a word with the manager. Okay, so we have with us Mr. Sandeep Ghosh. Hi sir, welcome to the forum, welcome to Endeavor.
Welcome, thank you.
Sir, we have a few questions. First of all, thank you very much for coming to our institute and accepting this invitation to keep your view into few questions or rather concerns that we wanted to address. Now sir, we have seen many companies, many pharmaceutical companies are recruiting experienced candidates. We get vacancies wherein they want experienced candidates only. At the same time, there is there are few companies who look to recruit freshers only, right? Like we also get vacancies from your company wherein you ask us to give fresh trained freshers. So what is the logic behind it? Wherein most of the companies are not recruiting freshers. We just wanted to know why your company is recruiting freshers only.
See, actually, first of all, if you see our company from the very beginning, from the birth itself, we always believe that we never recruit any experienced candidate in the medical representatives level. The reason is that we wanted to train the fresh graduates and make them prepare and ready for the market. It's a challenge for us because for a manager, initial days after the medical rep joins, he spends time with 15-20 days with the medical rep to make him understand what is the job profile. So it's not a very easy task. Induction, if you see, it's like a labor pain for any manager, for any pharmaceutical company. For a fresh candidate, the labor pain is tremendous, but for an experienced candidate, it will be very less. So probably that is the reason what you told in the beginning, that many companies are not interested to take freshers, whereas experience they only prefer.
Sir, before we go to the next question and ask you further on this, we would like our viewers to know, we would like to know a little bit of history about your company, Novo Medicament. Since it's not a new company, sir, your company is doing quite well. But can you please tell us something about your company? Who is the director and how this company was formed?
No, actually, if you see the company is, we are in the business for long. Earlier, it was a company called American Remedies, which was merged, and the director of the company started this company. So we are operating for almost 17 years, if you see.
Right.
So if you look into the turnover wise, it is not a very big company, whereas value wise, it is one of the best company. and definitely since I am working, it is the best. There is absolutely no doubt about it. So this is what is actually, we believe in developing the people. We feel that people are the most important resource, and a medical representative is the only person who can generate prescription, who can bring business. So our major focus is on developing the job skill of the medical representative, so that they also get developed and they also prosper. Many of our corporate managers, if you see, they all started their career from medical representatives only. So they are all freshers also. It is not like that after the birth they became experienced. They all started their career as a fresh medical representative, and today they are holding the highest hierarchy in the organization. It is that clearly shows that whether it is fresher or experience, it doesn't matter. It is all how you fast develop the job skill and make the person position in the industry. That is how it is.
All right, sir. How important do you think is a fresh graduate who completes his graduation? How important is for him to undergo a training before coming to an interview for any pharmaceutical company?
See, the training is most important thing, because if you see, today the profession as industry has changed totally. When we were a medical representative, it was a totally different ball game. Today it's totally different. Competitions are more, and companies are also making many divisions, so opportunities are also more. And all the companies, irrespective of the name, if you see, they are all looking for quality people. So the selection is mainly based on the quality. It is never based on the quantity. So if you develop the fresh graduates much better, groom them properly, and they will qualify for the interview, because it is a human interview, it's not in a machine. So the person who will be taking the interview, he will be attracted to a trained graduate compared to a person who is not trained. That's the difference.
Right, sir. And as you said, the director of American Remedies, who used to be a very big company, has started your company basically. So definitely he would have a mindset because of which he is giving opportunity to freshers and trying the freshers. So one more thing we have came across while, our students, when they went for the interview, say for example, there was a vacancy for South Kolkata. A student went for an interview for South Kolkata. However, since he was from South Kolkata, but he was given a posting at Ranchi. So even though you have vacancy at a particular area, you don't prefer giving the same the candidate who resides there. Why so, sir?
So it is a top secret, but what is the policy of the company, probably the director can tell. But if you ask me why the company is having such a peculiar policy, it is peculiar compared to the other company's policy, if you see. Only the director can say. But as long as my view, if you see that, I look at it in a different way. If you go to the history or in mythology, you will see all our old ancient Rajas, their son, when they used to take them charge as the next Raja, they used to send them to the forest. You call it Vanavas, they used to go. Some 10 years, 14 years like that they used to go. So that they can fight with all the animals and all these things. And they became very stronger, and then they used to give the charge of the entire kingdom, because they became very strong, and the logic was that they can protect their kingdom from any external enemy. So probably that could be the reason the people who are wanted to be placed in their own native headquarters, they never become very strong. So when you go outside of your close or relatives or something like that in a totally different environment, opportunity is very high that the person will develop himself very fast. He will be much more competitive. He will be able to handle situations much better compared to any other person who is still in the house or in his native place. So that could be the reason, what I feel. That is what.
Fine, sir. One more question. There are managers, we get vacancies in different companies, different headquarters, but there are few companies wherein the policy is that they will not recruit freshers, maybe, or wherein there is no policy, but still they do not want to recruit freshers. So what message, as from your standard, what do you think? Managers should pay attention more on recruiting freshers if they have that thing within their policy?
Yeah, actually, if you see that the most important quality of any human should have, that he should not forget his past. When we all started our career, we were not experienced. We were all fresh. We all passed the college, go to some interview, and got the job. So today, I do not know why there is a lot of what you can say that discrimination between fresh and experience. When you are seeking for quality, that is most important. Whether it is fresh or experience, that doesn't matter. So my message is that every corporate should think in this way, that freshers and experience, there is absolutely no difference. The only difference is that the experienced person has worked somewhere and the fresher has not worked because he has not got the opportunity. So if you just spend 15-20 days initial timing with the boy whom you are taking, the fellow will be same experienced also. Now the reason why the many companies are not interested to take fresher is that their managers probably have to give more time. You have to answer a lot of questions like a newborn child. So that is the reason probably they are thinking, no, I will take some person who is already matured, who is already experienced. By that process, sometimes what happens, you will see the person whom you are taking from another company, you are not only taking that person, you are also taking that company also, because the person is being taught in that company with something. So when you are taking him, you cannot remove those learnings what he has learned. So whatever you wanted to teach him or whatever you wanted to make him understand, you have to remove the old things, then you have to make him understand the new things. So it will be like a dirty paper. Whereas a fresh boy, if you take, it will be like a white paper. Whatever you will write, that will be only you can read. On a dirty paper, if you write something, it is not very easily visible. So that could be the reason why companies are more interested, because they are looking for a short term. I don't have to train this person will automatically go to the field next day of joining and he will start developing prescription, he will have a set of doctors. What benefit I will get if I take a fresh person? I have to spend 1 month's time. This is what. But the advantage of taking fresh person is that fresh person will be very loyal. Number one, he will be having a lot of interest to learn, and he will never forget this also, that you gave him the opportunity for the first time when he was not having any job. So there are a lot of long-term benefits, which if you look actually, I personally feel is that there should not be any discrimination between fresh and experience. That is what.
Right, sir. So by saying that, should we take it like, the managers who are scared to give training to the young freshers are basically not wanting to take freshers?
That is, I feel personally, I am not some, this is my personal opinion. See, the moment you talk with some manager who are more inclined to take experience, probably you will get a better answers. But my experience, my observation is this. That could be the only reason. Otherwise, what is the problem? A fresh person is also having the same organ system, and experienced person is also having the same organ system. Then why should I not take a fresh but an experience? Whereas if you see all the important things of our life, we always take first hand. Only when it is a matter of selection, we consider second hand things. Why we consider second hand things? Why not first hand things? Correct? Because comfort is related. Right, sir. That is my personal feeling. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel I am right. That's why I'm telling you. That's why.
So thank you very much for sharing your views on today's topic, whether a company should be more inclined towards hiring freshers or experienced, or rather, we also wanted to know whether the company should give more opportunity to freshers. So guys, thank you very much for your time, sir. It was wonderful you being here.
Thank you.
So guys, we had with us Mr. Sandeep Ghosh, who is the area manager of Novo Medicament, and today we had a discussion with him on why we should give opportunity to freshers, and he had his view. I'm sure you must be having your view as well. So whatever your view is, we would request you to come down here. There's a comment section, write down your views. और आप क्या सोचते हो, आपने की बाबेन fresher नेवा उचित ना experience नेवा उचित, whether what is your view on the entire topic? We'll be back again next week with a new topic, and who knows, might be one of you will be the guest speaker. All right, so stay tuned, we'll meet soon. Thank you.